So depending on the object that you have that you want to edit, what you can do is simply double left click on the object, and you'll see that it actually starts the command, in this case, Polyline edit, because it was a polyline. It was able to go in and, okay, either join, line gen, change the width. So if I was to say width and I want to specify a new width of, let's say, zero point 0.5, you'll see now I've changed the width of that polyline without typing in polyline edit. So you can do that with most objects. So like this one here, if I double left click on it, you'll see that it goes into the properties of the dimension style. If I hit escape and I click on double left click on that one, it's a simple note, right? So again, you don't always have to remember the command. You just try to double left click on it. And when you double left click on it, it'll, show what that command happens to be, like, or what the edit option would be for that. So um, just keep that in mind as you're working with the CAD viewer, that sometimes double clicking on an object is a little bit faster than typing in the command.